Hi everybody, Greg Agee here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make one layer fade into another from one side of the image to another in Photoshop Elements. Now the trick to fading or blending images together in Photoshop Elements is the use of a layer mask. So what's a layer mask? Well, a layer mask gives you the ability to create transparency on a layer so other layers from below can show through. Let me show you what I mean. Now when you first open up Elements, you want to make sure you're on the Expert tab, which is located at the top of the page. And this makes sure that the layers palette is visible and you can see all your images. Now in order to fade one image into another, you need to have two images. As you can see here in the layers palette, I have two images of the same flower. One's in color and the other's in black and white. Now first make sure that the top layer is selected and then click on the Add Layer Mask button. Once the mask is created and selected, we want to select the gradient tools on the tool palette. Next, you want to go down and select the gradient color box so you can make sure the colors are set up correctly. Masks work only in black and white and shades of gray, so you want to select the foreground to background option, which should be white to black. Also make sure that the linear gradient option has been selected. Now we're going to shift click and drag the gradient across our image. Once there, release the mouse button and you'll see the gradient show up on your mask, allowing the two images to fade into one another. You now have an image that fades from one side to another simply by using a mask and gradient. This has been Greg Agee with another Photo Elements tip on how to make one layer fade into another from one side of the image to another in Photoshop Elements. Thanks for watching.